Good morning, students. Today I am going to explain about silicates. Silicates. What are silicates? Silicates, the mineral which contains silicon and oxygen in tetrahedral units. Tetrahedral units is nothing but SiO4 4 minus. Linked together in different pattern is called as silicates. What are silicates? Silicates are the mineral which contains silicon and oxygen in tetrahedral units linked together in different patterns are called as silicates. So here, what are the different types of silicates are given? Silicates are classified into ortho or nesosilicates, pyro or sorosilicates, cyclic or ring silicates, and inosilicates. 4 types are there. The first one is ortho or nesosilicates. Ortho or nesosilicates, look at this structure. This is the very simplest form of the silicates which contains only one unit of SiO4 4 minus. Si is in the center and oxide ions are at the corners. What is the example for that one? You see, example is phenocite. Phenocite it is given. The formula is Be2SiO4 minus. Be2, the Be will be present in the center and all the oxide ions are present at the corners of Be. So Be2 plus ion is linked tetrahedrali by 4 oxide ions. So this is an example for ortho or nesosilicates. Another one, pyro or sorosilicates. Its general formula is Si2O7 6 minus. So this is one type of silicate which are formed by sharing two, otherwise linked by 2 tetrahedral units by sharing only one oxygen atom. Listen very carefully. Pyro or porosilicates, the general formula is Si2O7 and it carries 6 negative charges. These are formed by linked by 2 tetrahedral units shared with 1 oxygen atoms. So look at this structure. So this is an example for pyrosilicates. So the pyrosilicates, what is an example for the pyrosilicates? Here, thought weighted. The formula is Sc2Si2O7, scandium 2. There are 2 scandium units, scandium atoms which are tetrahedrali bonded with oxide ions. So here the structure is given. Okay, and next one is the cyclic structure, cyclic or ring silicates. The general formula, cyclic or ring silicates, the general formula is SiO3 2 n times. It is n times means number of units, and SiO3 n times it carries 2n minus. Okay, these are linking by 3 or more silicate units cyclically by sharing 2 oxygen atoms. Cyclically by sharing, linking 2 or more than 2 silicate units cyclically by sharing 2 oxygen atoms. Look at this structure, and here the cyclic silicates are given. Example for this one is beryl. The formula is Be3Al2SiO3 6 times. Be3Al2SiO3 6 times. So these are the aluminosilicates with each aluminium is surrounded by 6 oxygen atoms. Each aluminium is surrounded by 6 oxygen atoms tetrahedrali. And inosilicates. What are inosilicates? Inosilicates which contains n number of silicates linked by sharing 2 or more oxygen atoms are called inosilicates. Inosilicates, what is the meaning of inosilicates? Silicates which contain n number of silicate units linked by sharing 2 or more oxygen atoms are called as inosilicates. It is further classified into chain and double chain. Chain and double chain silicates, as well as what sheet or pyrosilicates. Inosilicates are classified into chain, double chain and sheet or pyrosilicate. Chain silicates. So here look at this structure. the chain silicates which contain SiO3 n times 2n minus. These are formed by linking n number of tetrahedral units. N number of tetrahedral units linearly. N number of tetrahedral units linked linearly by sharing two of its oxygen atom. One oxygen atom is here, another one oxygen atom is here. So even similarly for this unit, one is here, another one is here. Okay, I repeat it. The chain silicates are pyroxene. This is another, otherwise it is called as pyroxene silicates. These are formed by linking n number of, any number we can take, n number of tetrahedral units linearly linked with one another by sharing two of its oxygen atoms. Each one unit it share two of its oxygen atom. Example, spadamine. Spadamine, its formula is LiAlSiO3 2 times. And double chain, otherwise ambivalves. So these silicates contains SiO4 O11 n times and it carries 6n minus. And there are two types of double chain silicates. These are formed in two ways. One is those double chain silicates sharing 3 vertices, and other one those sharing with 2 vertices. Okay, for example for this one is asbestos. Double chain or ambipoles. Its general formula SiO4 O11 n times 6n minus. It is classified into two. One is what? So the double chain silicate sharing 3 vertices. Another one is the double chain or ambipoles sharing 2 vertices. Example, asbestos. Look at this structure. This is the double chain silicates. The asbestos are non-combustible silicates, and these are used as a thermal insulation material and brake linings, construction material and filters. Asbestos are, since these are the carcinogenic silicates, so their applications are restricted. Since asbestos silicates are carcinogenic silicates, therefore their applications are restricted one. And the last one is what? The seat or pyrosilicates. Its general formula Si2O5 n times it carries 2n minus. It carries what? 2n minus. And these are formed by each silicate. Each silicate shares 3 of its oxygen atom with the others and forms in 2-dimensional sheets. These sheets are pyrosilicates. It means the silicates are formed in different sheets. How it is formed? Each silicate tetrahedral units share in its 3 oxygen atoms with others and it forms 2-dimensional sheets. Example, talc and mica. Look at this structure. This is an example for the sheet or pyrosilicates. The sheet or pyrosilicates formed in layered structures in which the silicate sheets are stacked over one another with the low, otherwise very less attractive forces between the layers, and these forces are very weak, therefore they can be cleaved very easily, just like in graphite. In graphite, that is a allotropic forms of carbon. So in that structure also, remember that structure, there are also different layers. The graphite, the carbon atoms are arranged in different layers. In between the layers there is a weak van der Waals force of attraction will be there, and one can be slipped over another one. One layer is slipped over another. Similarly, even the sheet or pyrosilicates also, the sheets, it is arranged in 2-dimensional way, whereas there is a weak force of attraction formed between them. So it is just like what? The graphite. Example, talc and mica. And the last one is the 3-dimensional sheets. 3-dimensional. So otherwise this is also called as tectosilicates. And here the silicate units are combined with one another and by sharing its all the oxygen atoms and in 3-dimensional way. Okay. And example for this one is quartz. Quartz, in this one, these are the aluminosilicates. By it is replacing silicate units by aluminate units. Aluminate units AlO4 3 minus units. Example, zeolites and feldspar. Example what? Zeolite and feldspar.